What if every document you need could come straight from your Monday.com board, perfectly formatted, fully automated, and ready to go? With DocExport, you can turn your data into professional PDFs. Download it, email it, automate it. Sounds good? Here are just a few powerful use cases. Collect form responses with Monday.com and instantly turn them into branded PDFs. Trigger creation when a form is submitted or a status changes. Email the document to the requester using custom email templates and automate everything. Perfect for contracts, certificates, or requests. Use the built-in board print to generate a structured board overview, grouped by items, status, or time. Apply filters, include colors, and even sub-items. Great for reports, task lists, or team updates. Create quotes and invoices using mirror columns, formulas, and data from connected boards. Add e-signature fields to your contracts. Auto-generate weekly reports with charts. Export product lists with images and QR codes, and even use QR codes on packing slips so your team can scan and update items right from the warehouse. Choose from ready-made templates or build your own. Customize everything. Logos, fonts, layout, colors, it's fully yours. See it all live as you build, with real-time preview. Download your document, save it to a file column, or send it via email. Trigger document creation on a status change, a button click, or schedule delivery, daily, weekly, or monthly. No matter the document, no matter the use case, DocExport makes it happen. Try it for free today.